Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. Dogecoin continues to be in this descending wedge pattern. I continue to count this as an ending diagonal. Unchanged wave count basically to previous videos. We still see this wave 4 as well as a wave 4 top here, this November 22 top. And then ideally now price is coming down in 5 waves. You see the yellow wave count. White are basically the subwaves, but within the yellow wave count here, we've got the wave 1 to the downside, a wave 2 to the upside, the wave 3 could now be in the making, then a wave 4 and a wave 5. If you know the link videos, my link videos basically show a very similar wave count for link. Link is also in some kind of a price channel, has been caught for more than a year in a price channel. Actually, if you look at Doge, it's very similar actually. It just had that rally, but I just realized that now actually the link chart and the Doge chart, at least what happens here, very similar. Basically, just a little bit more volatile here. But also here, we see this descending price channel, or you could argue descending wedge. On the link chart as well, we would like to see one more low here, then a wave 4 retracement, and then one more low. What I'd really like to see on the Doge chart is a low below the 5-cent level. Still the primary scenario, never changed. It's never changed. And there would be a break below the June 22 low for exactly one main reason, which is that all rallies of the 2022 low were corrective. So always these 3-wave rallies, and that's certainly not impulsive, and that will make it much more difficult, sorry. It would make it much more difficult for Doge to really rally in any kind of aggressive impulse in the future in a new bull run. So it would actually be better, I think, for Doge to make one more low and to finally clear this structure, clear everything up in this chart, clear all this mess up, which happened here after June 22, because nothing is really anything that would give me much confidence that Doge is already in a new uptrend or anything. Okay, so this is certainly not bullish what's happening here, but it is very much overlapping price action, very corrective, and typically the price action that we see and want to see very close or very much towards the end of a bear market, for example. So if you zoom in a little bit, we can see that price did again rally into resistance. We have resistance all the way up to 7 cents. Price came down after this B wave top in July. I think there was some kind of news again. I can't remember what it was. It might have been the Twitter logo that changed. And then, we're coming down in this 1-2-1-2 setup. And I think a third wave down. This here could be a fourth wave. And then one more low, one more lower high, and one more lower low expected to complete this C wave. So take the lower degree wave count with a pinch of salt, but what is really important is resistance. Okay, if price breaks above the 7-cent level, we might need to readjust the wave count here a little bit, but then we still have resistance at the descending trend line and would not necessarily be bullish. It might just morph here into some kind of a triangle actually. That's another way of looking at this. So for example, if we see this, then the B wave here probably never finished, and it's a triangle, which we will only really know as soon as we have enough waves to make it likely to spot it. At the moment we just don't have enough waves to spot it. So focus remains on the downside against the 7-cent level, especially as long as Doge is in this descending wedge pattern. A break above the wedge, that certainly would cause us to take a closer look, but it would take a lot to really convince me that a lasting low is in place. What is really important now next is to break below the 5.5-cent level. That's the 11th of June low. And then finally to get down to that 5-cent level next. And ideally to make a new low. And then it's all like a reset and Doge has a chance to create new impulses to the upside. That's my update about Doge. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.